The history of Larry's Repair, my dad started the business in 1974. The first shop was by Casey's on the corner, but that shop is no longer there. So we moved here at this present location probably 25 years ago, and we've been here ever since. I was probably kind of a shop kid. I actually drove my bike here to just help out, do tires. Probably started sweeping the floor and stuff, so I kind of grew up in the business. So actually, I started at MCC as in the accounting program. So I went there for a year and just realized that wasn't my calling. So then I transferred to the automotive program, went there 2 years, probably started here full-time in 1988, and been here ever since. The shop's will be celebrating 50 years this September. A typical day for me, I try to get here earlier before my other guys get here so I can get everything organized, so I can plan my day out. I usually get here between 6:30 and 7, just to get the day planned out for the guys so when they're here, that they're ready to go start. Every day is different. You never know what you get from day to day. Something can come in that can throw your schedule way off. And other days you go right by a schedule. You try to go by a schedule, but a lot of days it doesn't happen.